So one time, these two friendly and innocent looking people, maybe this one doesn't look so innocent, inspired me to go all together to a paradise island. They promised me we would do this. Of course I agreed. We arrived at the airport, quickly rented a car and went to do some sightseeing.
When you see this, you know we're in澎湖!
Look at this blue ocean. Oh my god.
Wow, this is so beautiful. So clean in the sense that you can see what's underneath. And
So
there are just so many people waiting for the path to open. The path right now is still a little bit covered with the ocean.
Oh, it says it's the most beautiful bay in the world, guys.
Everyone was very happy and excited, including me, until I started to notice one thing.
Where's the best music? This is the澎湖Mall. Hey, we are heading to eat oyster. Oyster non-stop. We got the oyster thing, Patrick and Annie.
Seems like all they really cared about was oysters.
Watch out for the news. After we leave澎hu, the news gonna be like there is no oysters in澎hu anymore.
And the problem is, I don't eat it at all. One early morning, we hopped on a boat, a very bumpy boat by the way, and headed to Chime Island. Guess what for? Not just for that.
This is the moment I've been waiting for quite a while, and that's the main reason why we come all the way to Chime.
So Patrick Chen, Taiwan has never seen the hearts in澎hu.
Yeah.
What about you guys? Have you ever seen it?
It's something I've been looking at it in the textbook for about like 10 years at least in school.
Even I seen that. It looks
You saw it?
really beautiful.
Wait, don't tell me yet, because it's right behind me.
Just do it.
It looks exactly the same.
My god.
Yeah,
Come in
okay,
here.
okay, I'll wear it. It looks exactly the same as the textbook.
When I first visited Chime 5 years ago, I thought those hearts were purposely put there for tourists to take memorable pictures. But I was wrong. Turns out those were ancient fish traps that were built hundreds of years ago. Back in time, people didn't have enough boats to go out to sea to fish. So they came up with a pretty simple yet very smart solution: constructing stone weirs. Whenever the tide is high, fish can freely flow in the stone pool. But once the ebb tide comes, the weir becomes higher than the sea surface, and fish gets trapped in there, which makes it very easy for fishermen to catch it. Look at this. All those stones are wet. So this whole area was flooded before. That part looks like a bottleneck. It's very easy to swim inside, but to swim out, it's super hard. Look at this tiny space there. So all the fish are supposed to stay here. But somehow I don't see any fish here. I only see sea cucumbers. Yeah, that's it. Such a pity. I actually expected to see a lot of fish here. But that's okay. We brought our snorkeling goggles, so we can snorkel here and see the fish in the ocean. I think that would be so cool. Let's go.
What did you just say?
The water is so clean.
So clean? That's so cold.
It is very cold.
What happened to this May? Like, this is not a May I know. Usually May in澎hu is like hot, bikini everywhere. But look at the people. Everyone's wearing jackets. I mean, I was wearing jacket the whole day.
I think something has happened to the weather. It has changed.
There's a great spot for snorkeling in Chime at Nguyeli Bay. You don't even need to swim too far from the shore. Just behind those stones, you can already see many corals. I think if you're a nature lover, you will definitely like this place a lot, because apart from snorkeling and seeing beautiful marine life, you can also camp here, right by the seashore. There are all the facilities that you may need. Pavilions with the roofs, toilets, and even a shower.
Okay, where exactly are we running to?
So now we are going to catch fish, okay?
Yeah, in the traditional way, it's called kianggo qiangu.
Qiangu means the earliest fishing net invented by Taiwanese fishermen, and it's also the name for one of the ancient fishing methods in Taiwan. 40-50 years ago, Qiangu was quite a common practice because not every household could afford buying fishing boats and nets. Swimming up together, people could share both the expenses and the catch. In the past, Qiangu also took place on the main island of Taiwan, but with the time, it's been gradually disappearing. In Penghu, there are only few communities left that still practice this fishing method today.
是不是很重？
I'm almost not moving. It's heavy. It's really heavy.
Do you know where's the end?
The end seems like we are doing it for so many runs and it's not moving. So the rope we are pulling out is 450 meters long, and it's crazy far in the ocean. Over there is a white tiny ball. The ending of the rope is there, so we need to pull everything out. Did you see that? It's all the rope that they pulled out already. 2 wells.
And it's still so far.
I just started, it was my first round. I already feel a little bit sore pain in my muscles.
来啊！
What are we doing?
要合，你说什么要合并？
要合并啦。
哦，我们现在2条绳合在一起。姐姐，你用几年了？
我们老一辈就在用了，我们的父执辈就开始了。
父执辈等于你是第2、3代了。
对对对。
各位，我们抓到一只石斑了！哇！
How did you get him?
Hey, don't lose it, don't lose it! Ah!
Oh, he's still alive.
Wow!
Oh, look at this. 这个可以睡吗？
很好吃，
真的假的？
真的。各位，如果你们也喜欢吃石斑，下面留言。
我喜欢吃。
啊，大家有没有喜欢吃？
来，等一下吃，一起吃。
姐姐喜不喜欢吃石斑？
当然。
哦哟，你不是货呀你！哎呀，
我比较不了解鱼。Yeah, we're getting it. See the black spot there? That's the fish. 对啊，超级多鱼。
看超多的。哇！
哦哇！
哎，空鱼哦。
This is what we got. 哇，这个也超级的。Let's let the small fish back. 对，有很多小鱼，有很多 small ones. You're gonna let it back. Go back to the ocean. Okay.
Hey, why do you drop it?
没关系，再一次。
Pick it up, pick it up.
这一张要上新闻。
我真的有点紧张。
来 ，pick it up, pick it up.
你们等一下有吃它吗？
哇，
可能会吧。再等，让它站。
哇，好大哦。
I thought we would have a lot of fish.
Maybe we're not coming here at the right season, I guess.
I've seen some pictures from last week. They captured a lot of fish. But I think it's still pretty fun activity. And the whole point is not to get a lot of fish, but to participate, talk to those people, actually try new stuff.
Come to Penghu, do this kianggo. Everyone can join, right? You don't need to sign up for this. Just come to the beach. If you see them doing that, just grab the rope.
Strangely enough, after spending some time in Penghu, I even started liking seafood, especially the squid, which I was quite scared of eating before. And I get it now why guys love seafood here so much. It's really fresh, delicious, and it's just so hard to resist. Thinking to share this joy with you guys too, we decided to get some local snacks from Penghu and send it to some of you.
So So it should be something related to seafood. And I see something related to seafood. So hard to choose because there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options. What about we just ask what's better?
OK, look， 我看到一个帅哥在你后面，你去问那个帅哥。
哎，你好。
嘿，汉，你好。
不好意思，你们的店有什么很有名的？
很有名的吗？
很好吃的。
很好吃的，这个是我们的主打商品。那最有名的是，像干贝酱啊，还有我们的宝贝酱。全澎湖只有我们万泰食品有在做这一支产品。对。
所以你觉得哪一个比较好吃？
哪一个比较好吃？我觉得这个最好吃。
哎，那为什么它叫做宝贝酱？
它里面的主要原料整罐都是
小鱼干吗？
小鱼干，对，满满的整罐，而且我们上面是完全装到满的。
哎，可是小鱼干一般外面不是也很常有小鱼干吗？为什么它特别叫宝贝？
对，这种鱼它的学名叫做黑尾沙丁。那它一年的捕捞季，一年365天，它只有捕捞季就大概差不多7到10天而已。对，所以它这个原物料的来源非常的宝贝，真的是人家老一辈的说“锦米短几寸”，它今天可能这么小，明天就这么大，后天可能就变这么大。
会不会太多？
怎么会太多？我还觉得一个篮子不够，我刚刚就拿了一个蓝色的篮子，又拿一个粉红色的篮子。人气哪些是给我妈妈，哪些是给大家抽奖
？Maybe we'll decide later.
Okay, we will decide later. Anyway, so the point is, just join our LINE group. We put the link down below. Click that, you will see all the giveaway information.
And you'll definitely get the sauce that I tried.
Yeah. Okay. 我们先结账。
Penghu, thank you so much for such a great time. At first, I thought that the seafood trip here was all gonna be about watching those two guys eating. But you helped me to realize that if you look at things deeper, you can learn, see, experience, and taste a lot of incredible things. Alright, what about the happy ending with fireworks?
I think I took 1 million pictures.
It was so long. Wait, we started 10 minutes of this lighted up skies. Oh my gosh! You know what?
带着纪念品回家呢，具有收藏的价值，还能回味无穷哦。
I ate a lot of weird stuff in my life, but this is for breakfast. It's the most weird. It's the award for sure.